When using SAP Digital Manufacturing in the mill industry, the MES needs to know exactly how the material should be slid. The challenge is that SAP Digital Manufacturing does not support slitting patterns out of the box. That is why we provide the Pattern Cockpit. It enables users to view, create, and adjust slitting patterns directly in SAP Digital Manufacturing. Let's take a look at the application start screen. Here you can see an overview of several slitting patterns for a winder, including a graphical representation of the individual pattern positions. Let's now look into one of those patterns. The overview shows important information at a glance: the number of sets already produced, the production quantity, and a visual representation of the pattern, and additional order details. For each position, users can check the dimensions and adjust individual cutting positions. Slitting patterns from external trim optimization solutions, such as our Cloud Trim, can be seamlessly displayed and edited in the Pattern Cockpit.